Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up by Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Burke. I'm on the low, she said she really wanna take it slow.
Alright y'all, so in the midst of all of that, I went upstairs to go see my sisters and my mom and ask them which pictures they liked better and stuff like that. And I had a package on the table. Y'all, I don't even know what this package is like. So we're gonna open it. It's kind of soft, but it's kind of hard too. Girl, I don't know what this is, but I'm kind of nervous. But at the same time, I hope this is what I think it is. Ooh, let's see. It is. It most definitely is. Yes. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I got these satin bags. They are 6x9. Now that they're here, they are huge. Like, they are huge. So, I don't know if this was the smartest idea to get this size. If we're being 100% honest. Well, let me see. If somebody gets one pair of lashes, I'm gonna just put it in there. I mean, it's still cute. It's still cute. But whatever. Hopefully somebody gets more than just lashes. This bag is like big. Like, it can fit a lot of lashes in here. All right, y'all. Happy April Fools. Happy April Fools. I have a package here to open. I think it's my lip gloss tubes. I originally ordered mine off of Amazon, but girl, the virus playing with me right now. Like, super duper playing. So I ordered from a actual, like, different vendor in China. And let me see, I ordered it late last week. I will put on a screen how many days it took to get here, but it didn't take that long at all. So this is the box that it's in. So I ordered 200. Okay, let me show y'all what I'm looking at. Ew. I hope these are actually better than the tubes that I have now. I'll show y'all the tubes that I have now, and I'll also give you guys a little sneak peek of one of the products that I have. Also, please ignore my appearance, y'all. We're on quarantine, and y'all not gonna get a cute ring every time, okay? I don't have time for that. So these are my tubes now. Everybody and their mama got these tubes, and I'm pretty sure we all got them from Amazon. You feel me? Let me show y'all what I'm working with. I'm gonna lower you guys a little bit. So they got their own little, like, slots, looking all cute. Let me see. So this is what one looks like. I'm gonna compare it. Okay, yeah, so my vendor did tell me that they do 9.5 instead of 10. So this is a little bit smaller. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean these, so I'm gonna put my face in it now. I just want to smell it. I don't know why, but okay. And then, why didn't she close this? I just dropped a whole stopper, guys. And then I wear glasses too. Let me find this real quick because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find this. All right, y'all, I found it. So here's the stoppers. Again, don't mind my nails. Period. Don't mind my nails. Best believe I'm counting all of these. Oh, snap. Best believe I am counting all of these. So it's 12 in each of these. And then y'all look, all of these. That is amazing. That is just amazing. So I think I'm going to keep these little plastics. Let me see something first before I even say all of that. So yeah, when I sell my glosses, I could just put them in this cute little, you know, slip or whatever and sell like that. But anyways, yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get back to work now. Before this, I was, where is it? Putting my labels on my gloss. Let me take this one off so y'all can see what it look like. I wish y'all could really see it, but it just says the Rain Maya collection, and this is Lala. She's lavender scented, so I just call her Lala because lavender is boring. Lala is cute. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much. Let me bring y'all up. Don't forget to add, ooh, this is crooked. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot there when I'm not on here. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I show my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on with him.